Hey guys, it's Jerry the Investor, and we're currently here at our first fix and flip. I'm here to give you guys a quick tour on what to expect when doing demolition. As you guys can see, my contractor here is already getting work done. It's important as soon as you close to immediately get your workers inside the unit. With that being said, guys, I'm here to give you guys 3 quick tips to get your fix and flip moving fast and swiftly to closing day. Tip number 1, you want to get a U-Haul truck so you can save money when doing demolition, so you can put all the debris inside the U-Haul truck. Tip number 2, you want to make sure all your utilities are turned on. Your light, your water, for your contractors to have access to all of these utilities. Tip number 3, you want to be on the same page as your contractor to know exactly what's getting done and how fast it's going to get done. And you also want to cover up your windows to keep the nosy neighbors away.